Altcoins refer to cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin, that is, Bitcoin alternatives. Of the 18,000 plus altcoins listed on CoinMarketCap, investors have plenty of options when it comes to choosing suitable digital assets for their portfolio. In this video, we discuss the 9 best altcoins to buy right now, all of which offer an attractive upside potential. They range from upcoming altcoins on pre-sale now to new altcoin projects launched this year to some well-established assets with a high market cap. But before that, welcome back to your own channel, Crypto World, where you'll get all the crypto knowledge. And yes, do remember that this video is not financial advice, so do your own research before investing anywhere. So without any further delay, let's get started. Number 1. Battle Infinity, overall best altcoin. The top altcoin is IBAT, the native token of Battle Infinity. Players can access 6 platforms while playing this NFT fantasy sports game. To buy IBAT, players can access BattleSwap, the platform's decentralized exchange. Players can also use the exchange to sell their earnings and receive other currencies. The main competition happens in IBAT Premier League. Before entering, players should pick up some NFTs from Battle Market. That's the part of the platform designed to tokenize assets and characters, thereby giving them values. Players must have NFT passes to enter matches and leagues. One of the things that players do in the league is budget, so they can build a powerful team. Players can also monetize land and use IBAT to advertise on billboards within the ecosystem. A key reason IBAT is one of the best altcoins to invest in is that it enables players to earn while playing. Players can battle it out in battle stake for the highest rewards. The best players earn the highest annual percentage yield. But active players are also rewarded. The global staking pool receives 50% of IBAT transactions from Battle Infinity, and it issues rewards to players that participate a lot. With NFTs obtained from Battle Marketplace, players can dress their avatar characters. They use VR headsets to walk through the metaverse and meet other players in real time. Battle Game grants players access to multiple games. Number 2. Lucky Block, popular competition platform coin. Another great project that has developed a successful coin is Lucky Block. Its native token is ALTCOIN. Players need to buy ALTCOIN if they want to participate in draws. The main draw takes place weekly, and the prize is $50,000 in ALTCOIN. Players can also participate in NFT draws held weekly on Fridays. For players to participate, they need to buy a ticket for $1. A minimum of 5 tickets are required to partake. But the draws aren't the only way that players can earn. It's also possible through investing. Investors can buy the ALTCOIN coin and possibly earn capital gains. The coin has proven that it can go on massive rallies, the way it did in February 2022. That's when the coin pumped 1,100% in just 2 weeks. The platform's mission is to transform itself constantly, so that's the reason it will soon introduce NFT sales with fiat currency. The other major change to this platform is the use of an ERC20 token, which is regarded as a version 2 token. Lucky Block developed that token because it wanted it listed on central exchanges without a sales tax. ALTCOIN is now available on LBank and MBXC. Number 3. XRP, top-rated global coin. One of the coins that have provided exactly what blockchain was developed for is XRP. The coin was developed by Ripple, a San Francisco fintech company. XRP enables users to send coins across the world in a matter of seconds at the lowest rates possible. So it's cheap and efficient. The other great thing about XRP is that it has provided investors with excellent returns. The coin had a massive bull run in 2017 and 2021. The 2017 rally was truly epic, as investors profited more than 2,000%. Investors who bought XRP in March 2020 went on an epic bull run of 1,400% by April 2021. Number 4. Bitcoin Cash, famous Bitcoin fork coin. Bitcoin developers wanted to have a better version of the coin, so they released Bitcoin Cash. The key differences between Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash are that the latter is faster and cheaper. While Bitcoin is regarded as a store of value like gold, Bitcoin Cash is treated as a payment provider. Many transactions can be processed on the Bitcoin Cash (BCH) block because of the fork it had from Bitcoin. Besides the payment processing feature, BCH has proved to be a good holding investment. It has surged more than 1,000% in the 2017 bull run, and it did about 1,000% in May 2021 from the lows set in March 2020. Number 5. Stellar Lumens, effective cross-border coin. Stellar Lumens has developed a coin similar to XRP. Some investors believe that the two coins are the same because they offer similar benefits. Stellar Lumens isn't being sued for its coin XLM. That's one of the reasons that XLM is regarded as a more secure investment than XRP. But the coin has also surged in a few rallies, offering more than 10x returns. Number 6. AXIE Infinity, pioneering gaming coin. AXIE Infinity was one of the first platforms to enable players to earn while they play. That's the reason numerous players flocked to the platform. They wanted to breed AXIEs to earn points as well as collect treasure, which they could redeem for rewards and other currencies. The platform also enables players to build up their army so that they can battle it out with other players and stand a higher chance of winning. Because the platform grew at a phenomenal rate, so did its native token, XS. Investors who bought the coin in June 2021 gained returns of more than 4,000% by November 2021. No wonder AXIE Infinity is regarded as one of the best crypto games to play and earn. Number 7. Dogecoin, most popular meme coin. What started off as a joke ended up making some investors huge profits. Dogecoin was developed as a way to poke fun at the crypto community, even labeled as a meme coin. But Elon Musk's endorsement of Dogecoin sent it to the moon. Investors who bought the coin in 2020 and held it until May 2021 would receive 10,000% returns. It seems that Dogecoin isn't a joke after all. The coin had lost 93% of its value since reaching its all-time high. Number 8. UNISWAP, leading DEX with a popular altcoin backing its ecosystem. Another top-rated project that makes our list of the best altcoins to buy in 2022 is UNISWAP. Founded in 2018, UNISWAP was one of the first exchanges to introduce the concept of decentralized trading. In a nutshell, this means that people can now buy and sell altcoins without needing to go through a centralized exchange. If you're wondering how this is possible, there are certain innovative factors at play. First and foremost, UNISWAP does not rely on traditional bid or ask order books to create a safe and fair trading space for the generation of sufficient levels of liquidity. On the contrary, UNISWAP uses an AMM or automated market maker model. According to CoinMarketCap, the UNI token was trading at just under $7 in late 2020. After going through a somewhat rocky ride in the following few months, UNISWAP then went on a rapid upside trend. In fact, the UNI token hit highs of just over $44 in mid-2021, which translates into gains of more than 500%. Number 9. DECENTRALAND, top-performing altcoin backing a real estate metaverse. If you have an interest in the future of metaverse coins, then you might have liked the sound of the sandbox, which we analyzed above. With that said, DECENTRALAND is also one of the best altcoins to buy in 2022 if this niche marketplace is something you wish to gain exposure to. This super popular project, which was founded in 2017, is now used by thousands of people each and every day. These numbers continue to grow, and perhaps most importantly, so does the number of transactions being conducted in the DECENTRALAND ecosystem. More specifically, DECENTRALAND has facilitated some huge digital real estate trades in recent months. Each and every transaction executed within the DECENTRALAND ecosystem is conducted in the platform's native altcoin, MANA. And with this in mind, it goes without saying that MANA has performed extremely well since it was launched in late 2017. As per stats extracted from CoinMarketCap, you would have originally paid just $0.025 per MANA token. When the project last peaked in late 2021 with the wider metaverse scene, MANA was trading at over $5.90. This means that those buying into this project in late 2017 would have been looking at end-to-end profits in excess of 23,000%. As such, a mere investment of just $500 would have translated into a portfolio worth over $115,000. So this was all for today's video. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video tomorrow. Until then, peace out.